The spirit is saying, they're making me write something. What does it say? I'm not allowed to open my eyes.
It says cat.
Cat. Oh.
Coming here to get my fortune telling. I just got a few questions I gotta ask, so it's a bit expensive, but hopefully, yeah. All right, let's do it.
Oi. Hello, I would get up, but I can't.
Oh, okay.
Oh.
Can I get down? Or?
Yeah, come down, sit down. Sorry, what's your name?
My name's Poetik.
Poetik, wow, what a lovely name.
Thank you.
So, what do you do for living?
I'm a musician at the moment, yes.
Oh, you're a musician?
Yes.
What type of musician you are?
I'm a rapper.
Wow, is that right? Well, you can wrap me up anytime. Stop it, yeah.
All right.
Okay. Why have you come here?
I heard that this is the place to come when you have questions to answer.
Wow. Okay, well, so what would you like tonight? Is there something you really want to get off your muscular chest?
Yes. Would you be able to tell me if there's a chance somehow that I could get that Rihanna feature?
How's it, sorry?
That Rihanna feature?
Rihanna?
To do a song with me?
Rihanna from Hawaii or the Rihanna?
From, I think, Barbados, Jamaica.
Oh, that Rihanna.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go back into the spirits and find out what they have aligned for you and Rachel. Will Poetik have a collaboration with Rihanna? The spirit is saying, they're making me write something. What does it say? I'm not allowed to open my eyes.
It says cat.
Cat. Oh. And what we need to do in order for you to congratulate with Rihanna, you have to speak to her as a pussycat. Poetik, speak to Rihanna as a cat and tell her you want to congratulate with her.
You mean now?
Yes, now, or else there's no yesterday.
That's a lion.
You have to meow. You have to meow.
Meow.
Yes. And you have to use your hands like they are paws.
Meow.
Yes. And you have to lick your paws like they are yours.
Is this gonna work if I lick?
Yes, it will. It will.
Lick the what?
Lick your hands like it's a paws.
Lick the paws.
Yes. And meow, and meow.
Meow.
Yeah.
Meow.
Oh, yeah. Whoa. Poetik, wow. The spirit just told me. Is Brianna? Is it Brianna?
Rihanna.
Huh?
Rihanna.
Oh, I thought you said Brianna.
Oh, is it a different one?
Yeah, Brianna, she's from Ottawa.
No, that's my cousin. I'm talking about Rihanna.
Oh, no, hell no. There's no way you're going to do collaboration with Rihanna.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Maybe Cindy of Samoa or something like that. But yeah. Why Rihanna?
'Cause she's the one. She got that voice. Every time I hear the voice, I just want to, get up and...
Get up and voice. Does it have to be Rihanna? What if someone else has got a similar or better voice?
Like Beyonce?
Maybe not Beyonce, but someone who looks like her.
Solange, the sister?
Huh?
Her sister?
Solange?
Solange?
I'm so large.
No. Yeah,
You're saying because I'm so large, I can't be like Beyonce?
No.
I can be anyone who I want.
I believe you can. Yeah, it was good. Got a few answers, a few more than I expected.
Poetik is gonna leave. He's gonna regret leaving without really telling me how he feels.
I gotta go, so It's been good.